Hi sisters, James Charles here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am very excited for today's video, but I am even more excited for Friday's new video because it is the official world premiere of my show, Instant Influencer. I cannot believe that the day is finally here. It is in less than 1 week. This is so crazy. I literally have never been more proud of a project in my entire life and I cannot wait for you guys to see it. In case you don't know, Instant Influencer is my reality competition show that I executive produced and host along with YouTube Originals in a search to find the next beauty superstar. It'll be streaming right here on my YouTube channel for free starting this Friday, April 24th at 12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, and I literally cannot wait. Make sure you guys set your alarms. I hope you're as excited as I am, but we still got a few more days to go on our countdown, so until then, let's jump into today's YouTube video. As you all know, right now we're going through a global pandemic because of COVID-19. We are all doing our best to stay at home, stay safe, and stay healthy in order to beat this together, and because of this quarantine, there's been a major surge in the app called Zoom. If you don't know what Zoom is, basically it is like an online video chatting software similar to FaceTime or Skype where you can keep in contact or host meetings with large groups of people. A lot of teachers have been hosting Zoom classes with their students to conduct their online classes. I've had to use it a bunch of different times for business meetings that I couldn't actually get to in person, but overall a lot of people are just using it to stay in touch with their friends. For today's video, I thought it'd be really fun to try to use Zoom in a slightly different way. By the way, this video is not sponsored, and now that I'm thinking about it, I really should have reached out beforehand because this is literally an infomercial. Anyways, I tweeted earlier telling you guys to grab your friends and grab your makeup collections and tweet me your Zoom ID and passcodes. And now I'm here in my studio with my makeup collection. I have nothing on my face right now, so I thought it would be super fun to pop in and surprise you guys on your different Zoom calls and get ready with you. Let's get started. Okay, you guys, we have our Zoom open and ready to go, and I think it is time for our first meeting. Let's type in a Zoom ID. This one is from Chase. Okay, join with video. Woo, I'm so excited. Okay. Hi, guys.
Hi, James.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm so good, you guys. Oh my god, you guys are my first Zoom group that I'm popping into.
Oh my god.
Are you guys all getting ready?
Yeah.
Your brushes and your palette.
Wow, iconic. Okay, I want to go ahead and get started with you guys. So, we're just going to glam for a few minutes, and I want to talk to you guys about whatever you want.
What have you been up to during quarantine?
I have been, at first I was really enjoying it because I was getting so much work done and filming so many videos and like getting prepared for the show. But now that it is like, you know, a few weeks in, I'm not gonna lie, I've been getting really, really overwhelmed and stuff with just like so much time to just like think and get in my thoughts and like deal with stuff. So it's been like a little bit spooky, but I've been trying to just like get work done, reply to a lot of business emails, and I've also been watching a lot of Netflix.
I was like so motivated the first like week. Like I was like working out every day and like doing a whole bunch of shit, and now I'm just like so over it.
Yeah.
My mom wants to say hi, James.
Hi, Mama. How are you?
James, I want to congratulate you on how positive you are. Your fans, when they write all these funny comments, and Sammy and I were watching, and you were putting on different funny makeup to respond to your, I don't know, stepsister. That's
Oh, thank you, Mama.
We love Janine.
We really do. Mwah. Stay safe. All right, you guys. Well, I have my base done, so I'm gonna hop off and go say hi to some other sisters. But thank you for getting ready with me today. I love you guys.
Love you.
Stay safe, wash your hands, and stay home.
Yes, thank you.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Okay, you guys, so for this Zoom chat, it's apparently one of the girls' 21st birthdays. So I want to pop in and say hello and sing happy birthday as well. So let's jump into number 2. Hi, you guys.
Happy Sebastian.
21st birthday.
Whose 21st birthday?
Yeah.
Happy birthday to... Happy birthday, sister.
What does my mother put in this wine?
Oh, where are you guys?
Europe, Ireland, and UK.
Yeah. Oh my god, fun. I want to go to Ireland so bad.
Do it! Oh my god, yes! When's the tie-dye merch coming out? That is our question.
Oh, okay, I really want to go. It is literally like one of my favorite collections we've ever made. My thing is, I'm just waiting for like the right time because I'm getting like a lot of people are saying that they want it, but also a lot of people right now like can't even afford to pay rent because of this whole situation, which is so scary. Everybody being out of work. I might be waiting a little bit longer, but I promise it's coming. I want it to come out so bad. Well, thank you guys for having me. I finished up my concealer, so I'm gonna go pop into another chat.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Of course, you guys. Lisa, happy birthday. I hope you're having a good 21st in quarantine. I love you. Bye, guys. Hi, guys.
Oh my god.
Hi.
Hi.
Vomit, is this real? We were in that video the other day that you retweeted yesterday.
The Pass the Palette Challenge. You guys are all, I literally appreciate it so much. You guys are all literally the sweetest ever in the entire world. And I loved that video.
We love you. There were people that were hating in the comments, and then like I made friends with them.
I love that. That's honestly the way to go about things, is literally just to make friends with the haters. Well, I wish you guys all the absolute best. I have to hop into a new group now.
So much.
We love you. Thank you for joining.
I love you guys.
We love you.
Thank you.
Bye. Hello? Hi, you guys. How are you guys? Oh my god, the sister's phone case.
Yeah, I have 2 of them. The other one's in the drawer.
Iconic.
Sorry, my mom is like obsessed with you.
Oh.
She wants to say hi. Is that okay?
Yeah, of course.
James, I'm a school counselor, and you're such a good role model. You're always so positive, encouraging, kindness. I love you.
Oh my god, you're gonna make my heart break. Thank you so much.
Good job.
Oh, that makes me so happy. Thank you, Mama.
How would you say like so positive and so like kind and nice, even though you get so much hate on a daily basis?
I really just try to like not let it get to me, to be honest. I know that sounds so stupid to say, but like really like surrounding myself with good, positive people and friends that I can like talk to and bounce things off of and like just be with, like is honestly like what helps me get through the day. Focusing on the positivity instead of the negativity is like a way better solution. Alright you guys, well it looks like it says there's less than a minute left and I finished my contour, so I'm gonna head on over to say hello to some more sisters, but thank you guys so much.
I love you. Okay, bye.
I love you guys.
Bye.
Hello?
Well, anyway.
Nice to meet everybody. Everyone looks so beautiful so far.
Okay, so I just want to say, James, thank you for like being amazing. Like, I have to like sneak and buy makeup like this is awful. Like from behind my parents' back. I don't want them to know, you know. So like, it's really difficult. But like, getting to do this and like, I feel so like inspired right now. Like, first off, I'm talking to you, and like all these people here, like the sisterhood is so special, and like it's just incredible. So thank you. Like all I have is eyeshadow and a couple brushes, but like I make it work. I feel like so. Thank you.
Oh my
I appreciate
god,
it.
that makes me so happy, and it means the entire world to me that like my videos give you the confidence to do that, and I really hope that one day in the future, like your parents will see you and will like love you and be just as proud of you for expressing yourself and wearing makeup as you feel on the inside when you're actually doing it. That makes my day. So thank you, Jacob, for saying that. Alright you guys, well thank you so much for having me on your Zoom call. I gotta go and say hi to some other sisters, but I love all of you guys.
Can you do
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hey, yeah. Love you guys.
Bye.
Yes,
Community, love you.
Hello?
James.
Hi, you guys! Roger, I see that you're already halfway through your makeup. I'm about to do my brows, so can I chill with you guys for a little bit and do my brows with you?
Yeah, that would be so fun. Oh my gosh.
Yay, okay.
Oh my gosh, I love you so much.
I love you guys
I'm
too.
literally crying.
What's your favorite song, James?
What is my favorite song right now? Okay, it's a song called 2002 by Anne Marie.
It's so good.
It's such a bop. How are the brows looking?
So good.
Oh my
Oh
god.
my god.
Good?
I can't ever.
Well, your eyeshadow looks beautiful so far.
Thank you.
Okay, you guys, well, my brows are all done, so I have to head into another group to surprise some more sisters, but thank you both so much for being the sweetest and for your love and support.
Love you, James.
Bye.
Mwah. Alright guys, so I'm about to join another Zoom call, and this one I know for a fact is filled with a bunch of my loyal stan accounts that I've known since like day one. So I'm excited to pop in and surprise them and do my eyeshadow together. Hi sisters! Oh my god, Zoe, you have the day one merch on, of course.
Yeah, of course I do. What kind of bullshit is this?
Oh my god. How are you guys?
Pretty good
I also thought it'd be fun if you guys picked what eyeshadow look that I do as well.
Something like
Related to influencer, because that's coming out like a few days after.
yeah.
You could post it on April 24th.
Oh my god, T, I love that you guys are literally my marketing team. Do you want me to do an eyeshadow look inspired by the Insta Influencer logo?
Yeah. Like deep on your eyelid.
Like make it look like splatter painty, how like it is in the promo thing too?
Yeah.
Oh my god, yes.
Okay, T. Zoe, your singing has been improving so much. I feel like every time that I see a new video, I'm like, wow, she really snapped.
Oh, stop.
I have a question about the show.
Okay, what's up?
I love doing like recreations, and I was wondering if are most of the challenges in the show, are they like makeup challenges that I could like do
myself.
Some of them are and some of them aren't. What's cool about Insta Influencer is that it's not just a makeup competition show, and I'm really excited for people to see that because the reality is that being an influencer is so much more than just being good at makeup. Like, it's about marketing and being able to sell products and being able to work with other people.
Yeah.
So the challenges that are on the show really focus a lot on like what it takes to be a successful influencer, not what it takes to be a successful makeup artist. All the challenges have something to do with makeup, but they're not all just makeup focused, if that makes sense.
I'm so excited for this. Oh my god.
Me too.
So excited.
It's gonna end any second.
Okay, thank you guys so much for helping me choose my eyeshadow
I love
look.
you.
You guys are all the literal sweetest. I appreciate each and every single one of you so much.
Love you.
Love you guys. See you soon.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, you guys, so that Zoom call was literally all of my biggest stan accounts that I am so incredibly grateful for. I love them, and they picked a super cute eyeshadow look. I'm literally obsessed with how this is turning out right now. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other one off camera quickly just so we can save some time, and I'll be right back to join in on a few more sisters. All right, you guys, we are back with both eyes all complete. I finished the other eye, added some lashes and mascara, and I am literally so obsessed with this Insta Influencer logo inspired look. The colors are so cute, and I love doing the splatter paint effect. I've done it a few different times on Instagram before, but never with this color combination, and I literally love it so much. We are almost done with this look. It has been a few hours now, so I'm hoping that there are still some of you guys on Zoom. Let's head into our next meeting. I love that I said meeting. Hi, you guys.
Hi.
How are you?
Good, man.
Oh, who put that picture of me as their green screen thing? Ew! Oh wait, can I change it to, oh my god, there we go, I just changed it to gallery view. Now I can see all of you guys. T. Wow, I should have done that all along. Oh my god, now I feel stupid.
I have a question.
Okay, what's up?
How many people do you have blocked on Twitter? I've always wanted to know.
Oh, I don't even know. How do you check? I have 1,113 people blocked.
Wait, oh my god, that's amazing.
If somebody's saying something stupid or rude, like, I'm just gonna block them. And like, sometimes, yes, it does like give them the exact attention that they want, but I would rather like just not see that type of comment or energy. Like, it just like really can affect my mood and stuff.
100%. I understand. I do that too.
So like, I'd rather just not have to deal with it, to be honest. All right, you guys, well, I finished my highlighter, so I need to say goodbye and hop onto one final Zoom call, but thank you guys all so much for supporting and saying hello.
Bye, sister.
Bye, you guys. Love you.
Oh my god.
Hi, you guys.
No, I have the merch and everything.
Oh, hi, you guys. Oh my god, wait. Annabelle, you have a signed hoodie too. Where have I met you before?
So I met you 3 times, but you signed mine at Cane's.
Oh my god. I'm with you guys because we are on our final step, which is going to be the lips. So you guys get to pick the look.
Freaking look out. Oh my god. This is crazy.
What do you guys think that I should? I have literally anything. What do you think I should do for the lip?
I think you should go for a neutral shade because the eyes, I want to draw towards the eyes. It's so beautiful.
Can we throw in a sparkly gloss though? Do you got some glitter in it?
Ooh, we could definitely do a neutral lip with a sparkly gloss. I love the idea of that. Thanks to you guys, I'm now officially done with my makeup look.
You look beautiful.
I love each and every single one of you guys so much. Thank you for letting me pop in your call, and everybody stay safe and healthy. I love you guys.
I love you.
Bye, sisters.
Bye, sisters.
All right, you guys. Well, several hours, several sister surprises later. That is this makeup look chosen completely by you guys on Zoom meetings, all complete. This video was literally so much fun to do, and I am obsessed with how this finished look turned out. Oh my god, I cannot wait to go take selfies in a few minutes. Obviously, right now, the world is going through a very tough time, and you guys are truly what helps me get through every single day. It was so lovely getting to see all of your beautiful faces. Don't forget that my brand new show, Instant Influencer, starts streaming for free right here on my YouTube channel this Friday, April 24th at 12 p.m. PST. We are on the search to find the next beauty superstar. In the end, only one person can take home $50,000 and become the first ever instant influencer. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up down below and show your love and support. It really does help me out so much. If you have not already, make sure you click that big red subscribe button down below and come join the sisterhood. We are 18 million sisters strong, and I would love to have you join the family, and also click that bell icon so you get a notification every time I upload a brand new video. If you'd like to follow me on my makeup journey, you can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and Facebook are all just James Charles. My Snapchat for more behind the scenes stuff is James Charles with an extra S after Charles. And also, if you want to get texts from me, yes, on my personal phone number right here for any exclusive videos, merch, updates, and everything else, my number is 310-905-8746. This video's sister shout out goes to Sister D. Thank you so much, love, for always following and supporting. I love you so much. And if you would like to be the next video's sister shout out, don't forget to always retweet me with links when they go live on Twitter. All right, you guys, thank you you so much for watching this video today. I will see you on Friday for the premiere of Instant Influencer. Stay safe, wash your hands, and most importantly, stay home. I love you guys. See you in the next one. Yeah.